So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome to Spoken English classes by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain spoken English trainer and tutor. So what we will discuss today, do you have any idea, Shrey?
So we are going to do a event like.
Do you have any idea, Paridhi?
No, sir.
Shika? So actually today we will discuss a group discussion on street side food. Okay. So should we consume or should we eat street side food or not, or is it healthier for our health or ourselves, or just like we will discuss on street side food, means is it safe to eat or not. So let's now we will start our group discussion. So who will initiate first? You know what is street food?
Yes.
Okay, so Paridhi will initiate this video or this topic. Okay, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe and watch this video till end.
So, good evening, all of you. I am Paridhi, and today I am initiating the topic the food that are available on streets that are good or not. So, according so street food is that food that is available on the streets of the cities, and it is also available in towns and villages. Mostly it is available everywhere, but in towns and villages there are small areas that are covered by street food, but in a city there is a large area covered by street food. And according to me, it is not good to eat street food because the street vendors make the food with the spoiled veggies and bad oil, etc. And they are very sweated and etc. So they when they etc.
Street food are like a street stall, a person who stall a food. But street food is very harmful for us because many pupils who eat street food they face many problems, and street food is
Yes, Garb, what's your opinion on street food?
Street food is harmful, and face many problem. And street food, a person who eat street food
Street food are just like a convenience of food where we can eat a lot of varieties of dishes and so many things. And if we say that it is good or not, so in my opinion it is not good for health, because the street food owners use harmful substances, harmful ingredients, and use a spoiled oil, and this is so harmful for our health.
Means you are telling that street food owners just they use means not a good quality of oil and all, but actually there are lots of street food is famous, and street food market of India and other countries are very famous. Means mainly people prefer to street side foods like chapatis. There are lots of chapatis. Means chapatis are also available in every city. Okay, so in our city also there is a chapati, there is one or two chapatis. Means small chapatis we can see. Means there is a collection of some street vendors and some street shops. So this is called chapati. Okay, Shrey, what's your opinion about street food?
So as we know that the street food is always present in a group, means they always present their stall in a group, and this is also known as the chapati. And but in my opinion, street food is not very good for our health because they are using a very low qualities of ingredients. For an example, they use oil again and again. By this the quality of oil will spoil, and they also using the low qualities of spices. Thank you.
Yes. So my next question to Tejal. So do you like street food? If your question, if your answer is yes, so why? If your answer is no, so why?
So I don't like street food, but only I like pani puri in street foods because it is one of the tasty food for me, and it is available everywhere. We can find these type of stalls in villages and in even in cities also. And if I talk about that, why I don't like the street food, I don't like street food because they don't make food with the hygiene. Because the people who are making the food are not hygiened, and as everyone told that they don't use good quality of food. Okay. So as I correct my mistake, I want to say that hygienic. And there are so many stalls. We can find so many foods like momos, chapatis, like momos, bhel puri, and etc. One of as I told, I like pani puri, so it is most famous in chapatis.
So means means sometimes you like street food and sometimes you don't like street food. So I am coming to Harshvardhan. So Harshvardhan, what's your point of view on street food? And just please let me know, do you like street food or not? And which type of street food would like to us?
First, I am to say that TL said I don't like street food, but I like pani puri. And many pani puri people use bad water, and pani owners pani puri owners use many bad type of water, and they use spoiled potatoes. So how you eat pani puri? And sir asked me a question, which type of street food do you like? I don't like to eat any kind of street food item. And
But I have seen so many times you like you eat patties. Yes, I have seen so many times. So just tell the truth.
yes, only sometime I eat patties because I like patties, and there are many ingredients inside the patties. And sometimes I don't eat because the street food is like a poison, and the street food owners use bad ingredients and spoil food and bad oil.
So if everyone hate to street food, so you think means what will happen, because they are vendors, they are street vendors, and actually means they are surviving from their shops only. So how can they survive? Actually, we can suggest some, we can give some advice to them. Okay, so Harshit Yadav, what advice actually we should them actually we should give to them?
So firstly, I want to say that the advice I will give to a vendor, that he or street food vendors, that they should maintain the hygienes in their shop, and use the good quality spices and all the vegetables, not spoiled or raw materials. And next, I will tell a point for the that people consuming the junk food or fast food, that they should stop consuming junk food in a large quantity, because junk food is not so good for our health. If you eat junk food or street food, so you sometimes eat, not daily you can eat. Because if we eat daily, so there are many health problems we face, like high blood pressure and so many diseases.
So, so street food vendors have to use high quality product, because we can see in our country some street vendors use is product that's harmful for our health. And if we talk about some street vendors, so some street vendors also use a high quality product, but this is also harmful for us that people that eat daily. But some people eat it sometimes, so that's not harmful according to me.
Okay, Harshit.
So as we know, in our India, most people like street food. And if we talk about street food vendors, they have to do this work because they are not well educated. They didn't get good education in their past. But I have seen mostly street vendors children's, they have no money for study. And our government also help them to give education to their children. And I want to say we should also help them to give education, like in our vacations we should follow volunteerism. As we know, volunteerism means voluntary work with traveling. We should give education to their children, like if we are studying, so we should also teach their students. They will not get so they not get and enough education.
Yes, I agree with you, and I want to say that recently we have completed our 7th class. So the book of the 7th class is not useful for us, but we can give to the street food vendors child, so he or she can study in it, because they are so poor and they can't afford the books.
Means your thinking is good, but actually this is not a possible way. Means whenever you put your books, whenever you provide your books to others street food vendors, actually this is not the solution. Actually just a solution that actually they have to train by actually what they are cooking. First they have to use proper ingredients. Okay, because what they are cooking, just like they are cooking pani puri, chow means, if they are using bad quality chow means or bad qualities for maize and all, so how can means it will be healthier, just like street foods. So first we have to actually means not to provide this kind of education, just we have to provide a simple education. Means government has to open this kind of institutes and training centers for food makings and all. Okay, so Paridhi.
As Harshvardhan asked a question to me, I used to eat the pani puri on those type of stalls. So I don't eat pani puri on those type of stalls. First I asked them, are they hygienic or not, or they are making nicely or not. First I checked, then I used to eat. And as a sir question was, how we can means what type of precautions we can give to them. So according to me, we can give some type of training. As sir told that the government should open a training institute or something. If the government is not doing so, we can also do, as if any of the street stall is nearby us, so we can tell them you should wear some gloves, so it will not your hands will not get dirty, and food will also not get dirty. And use proper ingredients, and don't use spoiled food and etc.
So I agree with all the students that they said they should maintain the hygiene. They should use quality products. But if they will use quality products, so the price will be expensive. And some pupils say that this is expensive, so we will not eat from this stall and we will eat from another stall. But they should understand that if you want to eat a good quality product, so the price will be expensive.
I want to say to those people who are used to eat the street food, if they want to eat street food, so why they purchase that by street food vendors. They can make these dishes on their home, and if they don't know the recipe of that dish, so there are so many social media websites are available like YouTube. We can learn anything by YouTube.
Yes.
I want to tell you a thing that when I was going to home, I see a shop, I see a street owner. He was the food was the food was fall down. The food was fall down, and he put the food and keep into the bowl and keep into the bowl. So it is very dangerous for us.
So I agree with Ishika that she said, and we were both, we were, means we were going both when he put the food into the bowl, and I have also seen that. So it's very dangerous for us, and we will not eat food from there for every time, because we have seen that he has put the food into the bowl, and if you have seen that, so you should also not eat food from that shop, because they can do this with your food also.
Yes. Actually, sometimes street vendors also used good product, good quality product. But actually, the process of making their foods and means these street side foods. So actually, it's not good. Sometimes they use sometimes not cleaned utensils. So this is the also problem. And sometimes means their streets. Sometimes streets has not cleaned. So this is the very much problem for them, for us also. Actually, sometimes they serve the food in means not a good quality material. Just sometimes they serve the food and paper, just like poha. If we talk about poha, street side poha, so they just serve the food on poha on paper. Sometimes they use book papers. Whenever actually, if you are saying, Hershey said, I will provide my 7th class book to street vendors. So actually, you are providing your books to street vendors for their child will they study for their purpose. But actually, if they use for their purpose, just like they serve the food, means they use their books, your books for serving the foods. So actually, just we have to tackle. How can we tackle these problems? So actually, yes.
As you saw that the difference between the cost of street food and the restaurant food, the difference between the difference between the cost is because of how they are making. In restaurant they are making food very nicely, and they are not used to do these type of things, like they are taking the food and putting in the bowl. But the people who are cooking on the street foods, so they used to do these all things. That's why they don't need to do hard work a lot. So their price is also less, and they are not using that much ingredients and that much good food. That's why their price is less. But the price of a restaurant is high because they are using good product, and they are making very nicely.
Very good. Yes.
Yes, sir, I agree with you that they use the books in their purpose. So next, I agree with you, and I want to say that there are so many cases I have seen of street food vendors, just like in Gwalior, some street food vendors using spoil material and not so good water in their pani puri stalls.
These 3 new members, 3 friends actually means these listened. So what have you listened? So you have to continue this group discussion. Okay. Next.
We can't say that the we can't say that purchasing that selling the street food is not a good work for earning money. Like I have seen that in so many places, like so many vendors become very rich by selling this type of foods. I have seen the vada pav girl and so many more. These they are known by such names. We can't say that it is not a good work for earning money.
So in streets foods vendor, we can see that how they how they cook their foods. But in restaurant, we cannot see how they can make food, cook food. So how can we say that restaurant food is good for our health?
As we know that the street food owners are not maintaining the hygiene, but they are also not having a proper space where we can able to eat nicely, and this is the main difference between restaurant and street food. Thank you.
Yes. Well left, Sri. Yes. Next person, you can join. Just you all are left. Yes. Next 3 persons, please come. What have you listened? So we will complete this group discussion. Okay, Aradhya. Yes, please come.
So as I listened, they were talking that is street food hygienic or restaurant food. So as one of them who was here also has said that the food which they are selling in the restaurants, we have not seen how they are cooking it, but in street we are able to see how they are cooking it, how much hygiene they are maintaining. But in restaurant we cannot see how much hygiene they are maintaining, so we cannot say that in restaurant we are getting the hygienic food.
So yes, I am agree with Aradhya. So yes, we can't say that the street food vendor do not maintain hygienic, and the restaurant vendors maintain hygiene, because yes, we can see on the street food vendors that they are not maintaining hygiene, but we can't see that in restaurant how can they cook food with hygienic and not. So it is not possible to see, because there are only people who work there, they are allowed. So but in the restaurant we can't see there are so beautiful space and so good luxurious features there. So some people think that they maintain hygienic and the good things are available there.
It's very harmful for us, and some people mix many harmful things in street food.
My opinion, they use very bad ingredients to make the food, like very much oil to make the food. They become very oily, and they are very harmful for us.
So I see sometimes the street food owner using bad oils and bad products for making food, and it is not healthy for our life.
So as these both girls said that restaurants owner are not making hygiene. So there is a solution from me that they should make recipes which what they are making in showing the people, because they can see that it is fresh and it is the quality of vegetables or ingredients are fresh or not.
Yes. Actually, sometimes they use bad quality product, but actually they use a good quality product also. But actually, sometimes actually they don't maintain the hygiene. So that's why actually they have no means they have no fridge available, or sometimes means refrigerator. So many refrigerators means they have no available, means big size refrigerators, and sometimes food have to consume in boxes and all. So actually means there is a big problem of money. So because they means they persons have very small or low money, actually they earn on daily basis and they spend on daily basis. So actually that type of concept they are going on. Okay, Aradhya.
So yeah, as sir said, that the main differences of money. So let us understand this by an example. So if we purchase a packet of Maggi at by a shop, so it will give at 12, but in restaurant they are selling it in 120 they are selling the same thing but at the double or high cost. So it's the main difference, because if they are purchasing the things from the street, so they will get the good quantity and in less price. So that's why also street food is very helpful for us, because if a stranger is walking out through a city, so if he feels thirsty or he feels hungry, so he can easily go to the street food side, and they can ask to the vendors to give them the food, and they can easily purchase them.
Yes, I am agree with Aradhya, and yes, that's the true. That the street food vendors and the restaurant vendors purchase the food on the same place at the same shop, but the street food vendor give that food in the low prices, but the restaurant vendor high the prices. Like if some things only purchase in 50 rupees, they serve in the plate that's look very nice, they're very good, and price them very highly. So that's not good, because that's the same thing, and we can't also say that it's hygiene, so we can give you in the high amount or the highest.
My favorite street food are French fries, because sometimes my mother make French fries have the help of potato, so I like French fries.
Is your favorite street food, Siddharth?
So I like to eat patties because it is very flavorful. That we get many ingredients, but most of the stall food owners use very bad ingredients to make it. So I like to eat from 1 or 2 times in month.
Yes, my favorite street food is noodles and patties, because it is good. Yes, sir. No, it is not good. I am eating 1 or 2 times in a month.
So my favorite food is patties, because it is very good in taste, but I agree that it's not good for our health. So everyone said about that street food owners are using bad quality ingredients, and I also said so. So food inspector also plays a very important role in street food, food, and because they can check the quality of food by their facilities and machines. Thank you.
Yes. Actually, means street food sometimes actually first if you want to eat street food, so first you have to check means is their hygiene is maintained or not. Okay. So actually street food is not a bad, and it's an good sometimes. Actually it's just if you want to eat and if you like to eat, so you have to eat, but you have to check it's an proper hygiene maintained or not. Okay. So actually we will complete this video here, and so if you like this video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel also, and please comment it means what's your point of views on street food. Okay. So let's done. Goodbye.